Hello and welcome back to Mr. Adelman's fantastic math class. Today we're going to continue on talking about parallel lines and proportional parts of triangles. Last time we talked about the triangle proportionality theorem. Today we're going to continue with that with the converse of the triangle proportionality theorem. So let's take a look at what we've got here. It says, if a line intersects two sides of a triangle, so BD intersects these two sides of a triangle, and separates them into corresponding segments. So AB corresponds to DE and BC corresponds to CD of proportional lengths, then the line, this line, is parallel to the third side, which is AE. So let's take a look and break that down a little better. Okay, so what this says is that if BA, this segment right here, divided by CB, this segment right here, so this guy, so BA divided by BC, equals DE, this segment right here, divided by CD, then what that's telling me is that the segment BD is going to be parallel to this third side here, AE. Okay, so let's take a look at what some type of problem you might see in a test or in homework might look like. Okay, it says in the triangle DEF, determine whether the line segment GH is parallel to FE or EF. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if our proportions hold up. So we would say that we would have HE divided by DH should equal GF divided by DG. And now let's see if that's true. So we just have to put in our values. We see that HE is 36, and we see that DH is 18, and we want to see if that corresponds to GF right here, which is 2x, divided by DG, which is just the value x. Now we have a variable in there, but we'll see what happens with that. Okay, so what we want to do now is simplify both of these fractions. And so I look at 18 and 36, and I know that 18 goes into both of those. So 18 of course goes into 18 once, and 18 goes into 36 twice. And now I have 2x divided by x, and what I can do here is I can cancel out the x values because I'm multiplying. So I'm going to cancel out. So this becomes 2 times 1, which is just 2, and then the x cancels out and becomes just a 1. So what that leaves us with is 2 over 1 equaling 2 over 1, which of course is a true statement. So that tells me that this portion to this portion is proportional to this portion divided by that portion. So because that's true, then we know, because of the converse of the triangle proportionality theorem, we know that the two lines here are in fact parallel. And that's really all you have to do. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me either in person or on my blog. Thank you very much. Have a great day.